Ever wondered if the universe has its own secret passages, hidden tunnels that could zip you across the cosmos in the blink of an eye? Welcome to the enigmatic world of wormholes, the cosmic shortcuts that might one day turn the stuff of science fiction into reality. Imagine folding a vast sheet of space so two distant points merge into one, and you've got the recipe for a journey unlike any other. Picture this. You're staring up at the night sky, millions of stars twinkling back at you, each one a sun to planets we've never set foot on. Now, what if I told you that lurking among these celestial beacons could be the ultimate fast lane through the stars? Wormholes are just that, a hypothetical shortcut through the fabric of space and time itself. You see, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, the three dimensions of space combine with the one dimension of time to create the four-dimensional space-time fabric. This fabric can bend and stretch, and massive objects like stars and planets warp it with their gravity. It's a bit like a heavy ball sitting on a trampoline, distorting the surface around it. Now, if this space-time fabric is flexible, could it not fold and connect distant points like a cosmic bridge? That's the idea behind a wormhole, named after the way an earthworm burrows through the ground, creating a tunnel that shortcuts through the soil. A wormhole is a theoretical tunnel, connecting separate points in space-time. But here's where it gets wild. Some physicists believe that if these tunnels exist, they could allow for instant travel across the galaxy or even time travel. The thought is entrancing, isn't it? Step into a wormhole on Earth and step out on the other side of the universe, or even in another era. It's the dream of interstellar voyagers, historians, and romantics alike. The concept was first proposed by physicist Ludwig Flamm in 1916, and later popularized by Albert Einstein and Nathan-Rosen in 1935. Thus, it's sometimes referred to as an Einstein-Rosen bridge. And while we've never seen a wormhole, much less traveled through one, they remain a tantalizing possibility that tickles the imagination and fuels endless curiosity. So, how would a wormhole work? Imagine for a second space-time as a two-dimensional surface. Now, fold that surface so 2 points, miles apart, touch. The wormhole is the bridge between these points. You'd enter at one end and emerge at the other instantaneously. No spacecraft, no cryosleep, no years spent floating through the void. Just step through a gateway and you're light years away. There's a hitch, though. Wormholes, if they exist, are likely incredibly unstable. Passing through one might be like riding a lightning bolt. Turbulent, dangerous, and unpredictable. They're thought to be flecked with exotic matter, which has negative energy density and helps keep the wormhole's throat open. Standard physics doesn't exactly like the concept of exotic matter, and here we find our scientific drama, the clash between what's theoretically possible and what's physically plausible. But don't let that dim your starry-eyed wonder. Imagine if we cracked the code, how a network of wormholes could transform human existence. Colonies across different star systems might become interconnected. Trade and travel would no longer be bound by the sluggish pace of light speed, and the universe would shrink to a neighborhood of cosmic scale. As you listen, consider the possibilities that wormholes represent. We're at the edge of an ocean of discovery, and our ships, our space probes, and telescopes are just starting to set sail. Each new study, each observation, each mathematical equation brings us closer to understanding the true nature of space and time. Wormholes might remain a mystery for now, but the human spirit is indefatigable, always reaching for the stars, always yearning for the answers that lie just beyond our grasp. The thought of wormhole travel stirs our collective curiosity, our innate desire to explore, and our relentless pursuit of the unknown. And that's the beauty of space mysteries. They're not just out there, in the cold, dark expanse. They're in us, firing up our imagination, driving us to ask what if, and why not? As we continue to peer into the cosmos, seeking signs of these cosmic shortcuts, we indulge the most human of traits, hope and wonder. So keep your eyes on the stars, and your mind open to the infinite pathways they may offer. Perhaps one day, the cosmic map will have wormholes marked not as mere theories, but as destinations waiting for us to brave the journey. Until then, we can dream, we can theorize, and most importantly, we can keep exploring this incredible universe we call home. That's the call of space mystery, inviting us on an adventure that transcends the bounds of our planet and even time itself. Where will it take us next? The future is an unwritten chapter, and it's ours to fill with tales of interstellar exploration and cosmic marvels yet to be discovered.